In this video, I will solve LeetCode problem number 1137 nth Tribonacci number. Though this might be very easy question, this actually forms the foundation for dynamic programming, and if you understand this problem well, you will have a solid foundation for dynamic programming. The question is very simple. You have to find the nth Tribonacci number. And what is the Tribonacci number? It is just the sum of Tribonacci number of the three previous number. For example, T16 will be equal to T15 plus T14 plus T13. The easiest option that comes to our mind is to use three different variables, that is T-1, T-2 and T-3, and we can keep on changing this value at every stage. I don't go deeper into this, but this will just increase the time complexity. Why? Because we want to change three values at every stage, and this might not be the ideal solution. What is the second option that we have? If you look into this formula very carefully, we are recalling the same function, that is t, again and again. So we can just use recursion here. How do we use recursion? N, we will just be calling the same function, that is trim of n-1 plus n-2 plus n-3. So for example, T16 we will call T14 plus T13 plus T12. Similarly, again it will recall. For example, in this particular image I have shown for a number 5. What are we doing? For 5, the recursive function will call T4, T3 plus T2. Again for 4, these three are called. Similarly here, but if you look here, these T2 values are recalculated 3 times, right? This is what actually dynamic programming solves. What does we do? Something that is calculated multiple times has to be stored. For example, this might not look like a very big problem, right? It is calculated just 3 times, and what's the big issue? But as the tree increases, the redundancy or the recalculation increases. So the idea is we will solve from the very simplest of the solutions. For example, T0 is already known, T1 is already known, then this is already known. So what do? We start from this side and calculate from the smallest known solution to us, and then form the higher solution. For example, this can be formed from using 110, that is, we will just add it. Similarly, for 4 we will just add 2 plus 1 plus 1. So if you look here, it will just become addition at every stage instead of recalculating the same values, which is the foundation for dynamic programming. So thank you for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe.